Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to divide and merge rooms on DREAME X30 Ultra. In order to divide or merge rooms, tap on that Map Edit button. Now, you can select Room Partition. That is useful if the robot incorrectly recognized the rooms, recognized some rooms as different ones, and you want them to be virtually set as the same one or the other way around. Now, in order to divide a room, select a room that you wish to divide, then tap Divide and draw this line of division. Now I'll place it here and divide. As you can see, now instead of 2 rooms, I have 3 rooms. Then you can also merge rooms if you would like to treat them as one. And that's how you do it. So tap on Merge, select both rooms, and Approve. Now, if you would like, you can also hide some certain rooms or rename them here. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.